Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the incredible bond between mothers and their children. Mothers play an irreplaceable role in our lives, showering us with love, support, and guidance. To capture the essence of this beautiful relationship, we have compiled a list of 5 emotional quotes about mothers. Get ready to feel the warmth and gratitude that these quotes evoke. Quote 1, Unknown. Our first quote reminds us of the immense strength and love that mothers possess. An unknown author once said, "A mother's love is like a compass. It guides us through life's journey, always pointing us in the right direction." This quote beautifully encapsulates how a mother's unwavering love and guidance can provide us with the guidance we need to navigate the challenges and uncertainties that life throws our way. Quote 2, Abraham Lincoln. As Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, once said, "All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my angel mother." This quote expresses the deep gratitude we feel for the selfless sacrifices and unconditional love our mothers provide. They shape us into the individuals we become, instilling values and supporting us every step of the way. Quote 3, Taneva Jordan. Taneva Jordan, an American author, perfectly captures a mother's enduring love with her quote, "A mother is a person who, seeing there are only 4 pieces of pie for 5 people, promptly announces she never did care for pie." This quote humorously portrays a mother's selflessness and willingness to put her children's needs before her own. It showcases the sacrifice and love that knows no bounds. Quote 4, Washington Irving. Washington Irving, an American writer, once said, "A mother is the truest friend we have. When trials heavy and sudden fall upon us, when adversity takes the place of prosperity, when friends desert us, when trouble thickens around us, still will she cling to us, and endeavor by her kind precepts and counsels to dissipate the clouds of darkness and cause peace to return to our hearts." This quote beautifully captures a mother's unwavering support during challenging times. It highlights how mothers become our pillars of strength, offering comfort, guidance, and unconditional love, no matter the circumstances. Quote 5, Jewish proverb. Our final quote is a touching Jewish proverb that says, "God could not be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers." This quote recognizes the divine qualities of mothers, emphasizing their nurturing nature and the profound impact they have on their children's lives. It reminds us that mothers are truly extraordinary beings who provide us with love and care that can feel like nothing short of a miracle. Conclusion, mothers hold a special place in our hearts, and these emotional quotes remind us of the immeasurable love they bring into our lives. They guide us, inspire us, and offer unwavering support through thick and thin. Let's take a moment to appreciate and celebrate the incredible mothers who have made a difference in our lives. We hope these quotes have touched your heart and served as a reminder of the power of a mother's love. Outro. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this emotional journey, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming content. Until next time, remember to cherish and express gratitude for the wonderful mothers in your life. Thank you for watching.